Sometimes we go through life living dead, like we're so afraid. So if we look at nerves, it's just like, I have an emotion, I'm excited, I'm anxious. That's telling you, ooh, you're about to do something new, something different. And we need that. We're not meant to be stagnant. Every organism in the universe is meant to shift and change and evolve. And if we don't, we die. So some practical tips you can do about this is always be aware. Just naming and labeling your emotions is huge. And you don't have to fix them. I'm nervous. I'm feeling nervous. Boom, done. After that, take some deep breaths, because usually we're not breathing and then the body's shutting down and then your chemicals, you're in fight or flight and you're stressed out. So take 3 deep breaths. You can attach a word that feels good. Inhale, accept. Exhale, let it go. And then that's it. You're centered again. You're back into your truth, your unique truth. When you have something coming up, let's say a presentation or something you're afraid of, there's a lot of power in mental rehearsal, visualizing yourself at the space, you feeling calm and present, it going well. Things may seem out of your control, but you can always breathe and have fun and be present. And that's the key. So when you're starting a new chapter and those nerves and those butterflies are reminding you that you're about to embark on something exciting, lean into it, because you don't have to get it all right or perfect or get it all done. That's what life's about.